I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal for your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Paramount Plus website and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your subscription settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for a section labeled Account or Settings in the menu. Step 3. Find subscription details. In account settings, locate the subscription details. This section will show your current plan and renewal information. Step 4. Cancel auto renewal. Look for an option that says Cancel subscription or Manage subscription. Click on it and follow the prompts to turn off auto renewal. Note: make sure to confirm your choice when prompted, otherwise the changes won't take effect. Step 5. Check confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox to ensure that the auto renewal has been successfully cancelled. I hope this helps you manage your Paramount Plus subscription easily. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.